on YouTube. This is my neighbor Brandon, and this is his 300.
Cooking soul, babe.
How's it going, guys? This is my 300, 2006 SRT 8 with Procharger on it, P1SC. It's only got 5 pounds of boost. I would like to move it up next year. Open yours, you know, if you're gonna open mine. P1SC Procharger. It's got an intercooler on it too. Upgraded fuel injectors. I'm not exactly sure what they are. It's got upgraded fuel rails as well. Pretty basic stock block, stock heads. I'd like to get HPP heads, either stage 1 or 2 next year. I'd like to go up to 8 or 10 pounds of boost. 5 was good at first, but now it's just kind of, you know, not really enough for me anymore, right?
How much power is this thing pushing down at 5 pounds?
I was told 525 to the wheels. I'm not exactly sure if that's true or not. It could be anywhere between 480 to the wheels to about 500 to the wheels, right?
Still not slow.
It's still got a lot of power to it though. I mean, it's pretty fun for me. When I first bought it, it was definitely quite the jump from a 5.7 to a 6.1 with a Procharger on, obviously, right? So
yeah, coming from a Magnum for sure.
yeah, for sure. Yeah,
for sure.
Want to come around? I can start it too as well.
In there.
Stainless steel from cat back, basically. I know the resonator in the back looks a little rusty, obviously that's not stainless, right? But pretty much cat back to about center of the vehicle, stainless. It's got stock headers on it as well. I'd like to put long tube, maybe crooks on there.
Alright, well let's take this thing for a freaking rip. As you can see, this thing is no slouch, and he knows how to drive. Alright, catch you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe. See you guys later.